Hi everyone, welcome to Mexico City. Yeah, this right here is one of the famous tourist destination in Mexico City. I am having a hard time to pronounce this the name, but I will put in the letters for you guys later. So alright guys, make sure you guys stay tuned and check it out. Yeah, I'm just gonna do walk tour in this area to show you guys what they have it here. Yeah, just like you guys can see here, you know, in Mexico it's just very common for like a small vendor, you know, setting down like a small tent or a small place like this. It just like to sell, you know, what they do, what they have. Like this one you can see, yeah, it just sell masks, yeah, kids masks and toys, dinosaur stuff, something like that. And a lot, yeah, selling like this. Maybe this got chips, something like that, I don't know. Yeah, and ice cream, you know, or juice. Yeah, sunglasses right here. And as you guys could tell, oh, almost. And right here, yeah, guys, there's a juice, yeah, all kind of juice, yeah. It's I think the price is like about 50 peso, yeah. In US dollar, it's about 250. I mean 250, yeah. And the hat, yeah, I don't know the price because I don't want to stop and ask. And right here, they do like kind of, you know, face painting for kids. Same as right here, yeah. They got hat. Yeah, so many hats. Yeah, alright guys, let's just I'll let you guys to enjoy, you know, the real walking tour with me here. Yeah, alright guys, yeah, make sure you guys stay tuned and check out more stuff right here with me. Yeah. Yeah, as you guys can see, every seller here, you know, try to scream out, you know, to get customer, which is so funny. And right here, the cotton balls. Yep, and painting. Oh, look like 20 peso. So it is $1. Not bad for a picture on the spoon. Yeah, cowboy stuff. 35. Only 10 peso? Yeah, 10 peso is just like, yeah, 50 cents. Oh, look at this. She's getting paint. Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, it's so many places here in Mexico City, guys. If you just walk down to the park, yeah, you could find all kind of stuff. That sounds scary. They're selling, guys. They're selling like kind of something that you can blow to make like dinosaur sound, some kind like that. It's just like the way she did it. It's just so funny. Maybe scary if you did not see. All right, there's that. Yeah. You guys got shirt right here, shoes. Yeah. It's just so funny, Sky. Yeah, you know, in America we never do something like this, right? Sometimes I forgot about it, and then when they scream out like behind my back, it just like surprised me, it shocked me for a little bit, and then I remember, oh yeah, they try to sell stuff for you. Oh, this is so funny. Okay, glasses 250. Yeah, sunglasses for 250. Yeah. Yeah, this is gonna be like this. Yeah, you know, all the way, guys. But it's very nice. Yeah, actually, it's really nice to see. Yeah, different culture, different stuff. Yeah, like this. It's hot, guys. Actually, it's hot. I think right now it's 70 something, but feel like so hot because it's humid. Yeah. Yeah, one thing that I heard about from everybody, talk about water in Mexico. Yeah, mainly Mexico City. Yeah, maybe the water is not really, it's not really safe for you guys to drink, especially the water from tap, like a tap water or something like that. That's awesome. Yeah, something that you must not do is drinking water from tap water. Yeah. So also have to watch out water at restaurant, or maybe like kind of like a small vendor like this. Maybe it's not good to drink water from them. Yeah, the better is to drink like a water bottle. Yeah, it's good. Yeah. Yeah, good thing here, guys. Water bottle here is not that expensive. If you buy it from the store, I'm not sure from here, but if you buy it from the store, like a big bottle, it's just about like 18 peso. Yeah, it's like less than a dollar. No, actually, yeah, less than a lot. No, gracias. Yeah.
Una nieve, un rompope, una chamoyera, gente. Nieve y rompope.
No, gracias. Yeah, it's a tour. Cotton ball looks good and smells good. Getting a little bit quiet over here, which is good. Apple, water. Popcorn looks good, guys. Looks really good. Shoes. Also, guys, speaking of the price, good thing here, everything is labeled the price, which is good. Also, you definitely can bargain because, this morning I bought one of the bag, like cross body bag. He said 80 peso, and then I asked for 50 peso, and then yes, I got it for 50 peso. Oh, all right, guys. Let's check out this area together with me. It's look like kind of water activities that you can do the paddle boat around here. Yeah, that looks good. It has more to go on this side, but it's just about the same, guys. It's just like they do selling stuff. Yeah, same thing. Let's come in the shade and check out this area together with me. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's called paddleboat. Yeah, it's kind of nice and cool right here with the view of the city. Let's walk a little bit longer. Yeah, we'll see what else we could get from here. Look like it has a show or DJ over there. Oh yeah.
Bueno, mejor me callo porque en 6 semanas voy a estar igual. Sí, se lo juro, ya voy a ser papá. Mira, amigos, quédate, voy a regalar pantalones completos. No, ay, ya no estoy yo. Ya no compren sus pantalones en abono. Se los venden en partes. Qué buena onda, mucha gente extranjera nos visita el día de hoy.
Oh wow,
Mira,
it has more stuff on the other side there. Wow.
Esa panzota, no manches, ya estás engordando tu placa.
Hola.
Hi. Where are you from?
California.
China, Korea, Japan.
ขอบคุณ
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Welcome to Mexico City.
Thank you.
Bienvenida a la Ciudad de México. Estás más segura.
Okay, gracias.
Sí, segura, te roban, te violan, te secuestran, todo es seguro. Hi.
Bye. Have a good day.
I love you.
Love you too.
I love you, only you.
All right, guys. This is funny. Okay, guys. Let's just keep going with me here a little bit more. Yeah, it's look like the same thing, guys. More likely just a walking tour. Actually, guys, I would like to end my blog right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll show you guys in another place in Mexico City. Make sure you guys stay tuned and check out for Angela.S channel. Alright guys, see you later. Bye bye.